To send money from Pakistan to Kenya, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Xoom. These services have partnerships with local banks and financial institutions in both Pakistan and Kenya, making it easy to send and receive money. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and contact information. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address. This is a standard requirement for all money transfer services to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Once you have gathered the necessary information, you can visit the website or mobile app of your chosen money transfer service. Create an account if you do not already have one, and log in to start the transfer process. Enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send, and review the transfer details, including the exchange rate and any fees. After reviewing the transfer details, you can proceed to pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, or by visiting a local agent location. The recipient can then receive the money in their bank account, or pick it up in cash at a local agent location. It is also important to note that the recipient will need to provide identification to receive the money, and the transfer may be subject to local taxes and regulations. To avoid any delays or issues, make sure to provide accurate and complete information, and to comply with all applicable laws and regulations. In addition, you should also consider the fees and exchange rates charged by the money transfer service, as these can vary significantly. Some services may also offer additional features, such as the ability to track the transfer or send money to a mobile wallet. Overall, sending money from Pakistan to Kenya is a relatively straightforward process, as long as you follow the necessary steps and comply with all applicable laws and regulations. By choosing a reputable money transfer service and providing accurate and complete information, you can ensure that your money is delivered quickly and securely to the recipient.